Weifang Jiaxin Handicraft Co. Limited is established since year 2006, with more than 10 years experience in artificial flower field. Our factory is located in Weifang City, Shandong Province, China. Close to Qingdao Port, covers an area of more than 15,000 square meters and has 150 skilled workers. With 2 showrooms more than 500 square meters showing more than 5,000 items, we have 2 workshops. One is for Christmas products and the other for artificial flowers. Also, we have BSCI factory audit report. We are focusing on product designing, researching, developing, manufacturing, and exporting of artificial flowers and Christmas decorations. Our main products include artificial orchids, tropical plants, artificial leaves, Christmas wreath garlands and picks, artificial fruits, etc. We continuously launch the new products to meet the different market demands, and your designs are always welcomed. With rich experience and considerate service, we have been recognized as a reliable supplier by domestic and overseas customers. We follow the tenet of quality superior, service supreme, reputation first all the time, and look forward to establishing friendly and long-term business relationships with you. You are welcome to contact us for more information. We sincerely hope to cooperate with you.